Christmas tree. And the way I'm going to do this, I have this board. There's here, it's about 15 centimetres across, and then double that in height, so about 30 centimetres tall, a bit shorter than an A4 piece of paper, as you can see. And I've stained this with this lovely dark oak kind of colour. And then on my laptop, I've designed this Christmas tree, a zigzaggy pattern with a little star at the top. And then what I'm going to do is on each of these little dots, if I hold up the template, I've got little dots along there. So on each of these little dots here, I'm going to nail in one of these small little tacks. These are just panel pins that I've got from Wickes, using my pliers as a measure on how deep to do them. So I'll put them into the crack right at the top there and hammer in so that they are as deep as my pliers, using my little toffee hammer here. And then once I've got that all nailed in, what I'm going to do is, using this pack of lights, which I got from Amazon, take out one of those. It comes as a pack of 2. Oops, there we go. I will put some batteries in it, obviously, and then I will wrap the wire round the nails in the pattern that I've got designed on here. Initially I will drill through as well, once I've put all the nails in, drill through so I can put the battery pack on the back of the board, like so. Drill through the board so that the wire comes through, and then I'll wrap the wires around the pattern on the design, and then I'll attach some batteries, and then I'll have a lovely lit Christmas tree. So I'm going to speed up the video as I nail in the nails, drill through, pull through the wire, and then wrap the wire around the tree, and then I'll have my lit Christmas tree ready for decoration. Attached all the nails, just got to pull off the paper template, so you just gently lift that up, like so. That's my dog. There we go. Just pull that up, gently does it, so not to adjust anything else, but then keep that to one side because you use that as your guide when you are actually wrapping the wire around, because when you look at that it literally just looks like a load of nails. So I always keep the template to one side just so you can see what you're doing. Now the next thing I need to do is I need to pull through the wire from the back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill through, show you the template, where the wire starts just on the edge here, so then the wire will be coming through from the back. Then I need to make sure I've got that up high. Oops, Daisy. So rest it on top of there. Get my drill. I've added this drill bit here. I think it's a 2mm drill bit. We'll see if it's big enough. And then just to the edge of where the nail is. There it is. There we go. Turn that over. Just through there. And then what I need to do is I need to feed the wire through from the back to the front. So I will speed up the video as I do that, and then I need to have all this wire through the front of the board. the wire pulled through. I'm going to leave the plastic this side because otherwise, and one, it doesn't quite fit through the gap, you know, just about there, so I'll leave it there like that. But one also, because otherwise it will take away from the lights on the tree. So the next thing to do is just wrap this around like a string art. So starting on that first one, I'm just going to keep pulling it around like that, keeping it as tight as possible as I go. So wrap around that first one, then come up to the second one, wrap it round. Now you've got to sort of appreciate how many times you want to wrap it round by looking at where the lights land. So I've got one there, and then there's one on that one there now. So that third one's got a light. So just be aware of where the lights are. Oh gosh, I'm making the right mess of that one. Be aware of where the lights are as you wrap it round and working out how many times you want to wrap round. Now looking at these, you're looking at about 2 or 3 times each wrap. So just play it by ear as you go and just keep wrapping up the tree. So I'll speed up the video and then you can see the tree take shape.